Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned how to convert written text into natural sounding speech using ElevenLabs. In this lecture, we will perform the opposite operation. We will use speech-to-text AI to convert spoken audio into written text. Speech-to-text, also known as STT, is an AI technology that listens to spoken language, recognizes the words, and creates a written transcript. Let's understand it through a live demonstration using ElevenLabs. First, open the ElevenLabs website in your browser and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, open the speech-to-text section. Here we can upload an audio or video file that contains spoken content. For this demonstration, I have already prepared a short audio recording. Let's play the original recording first. Hi everyone. Artificial intelligence is changing how we work, learn, communicate, and create content. Speech-to-text AI helps us convert spoken language into editable written text. Now let's upload this audio file to ElevenLabs. I will select the file from my computer and wait for the upload to complete. Next, we can choose the available transcription settings. Depending on the available options, ElevenLabs may automatically detect the language, or we may select the spoken language manually. Now let's start the transcription. ElevenLabs analyzes the audio, recognizes the spoken words, and converts them into written text. The processing time may depend on the length and quality of the recording. The transcription is now ready. As you can see, the spoken audio has been converted into readable text. The result is also editable. If the AI misunderstands a name or a technical term, we can manually correct it. We can also test speech-to-text using a different language. For example, I have a short Hindi recording. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम स्पीच टू टेक्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को समझ रहे हैं. Let's upload this recording and start the transcription. As you can see, speech-to-text AI can recognize and transcribe different languages depending on the selected model and supported languages. Once the transcript is ready, we can copy it, edit it, or export it for later use. Speech-to-text AI is widely used for meeting notes, interview transcription, video subtitles, podcast transcripts, voice typing, customer support calls, accessibility, and content creation. So the complete speech-to-text flow is simple. First, we provide spoken audio. The AI analyzes the speech. It recognizes the language and spoken words. And finally, it generates editable written text. That is how we can perform a speech-to-text demonstration using ElevenLabs. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.